Motionless means they are confused, they cannot run away at least. And that moment of their confusion, the whale catch them. Now this is mimicked in numerically the way I will describe now. So here also the value of x will come. The new position of x, which is indicated by x within bracket t plus 1. T is the number of iteration at the previous step. Plus 1 means in the new step. Okay. So this new value of x is given by d prime dot or multiplication with e to the power small b small l dot cos 2 pi small l plus x star t. As you can recall, this x star t is the most optimal solution, or the value of x, that value of x for which we have generated the most optimal value of y up to that iteration. Most optimal value of y means in our case the largest value of y until this iteration. This is that value of x which has generated that most optimal value of y. So this is the formula for finding the new position or new value of x. And this step will be followed if your value of p probability, which is a randomly generated number between 0 to 1, is I think greater than or equals to 0.5. Okay. Now how you will find this d prime? D prime you will find with deducting the previous value of x from the optimal value of x. This one and this one is same. This one and this one is same. Okay. Now what is small b? Small b is a constant, any constant of your choice, and small l is a random number which is generated in between -1 to 1. Any value in between -1 to 1, but not equals to -1, not equals to 1. Within this -1